Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco. This is their part number, RPSW16AL. This is a hinge assembly that is used on their JD-AL series floor doors. Is what I'm trying to say. That's where it's used. So, not a very common item to sell, but there are times when hinges do become fatigued or fail, or what's happening is sometimes the floor door is unintentionally damaged, which is what could possibly cause replacement. There is an image, a client-supplied photograph, that will show what this looks like installed, even though it's a very small resolution image. This would be the portion that goes to the sidewall, the wider portion, as you can see. This is going to mount to the underside of the door. You're going to get a total of 4 bolts with it, a couple of stainless flathead machine bolts. I'm quite sure that these are 3/8, just because of my experience of looking at what 3/8 looks like, with a couple of lock nuts are going to be there. The flathead would certainly be the portion to go to the door leaf, so that was flush and not cause any sort of tripping hazard. The sidewall bolts are going to be carriage bolts, and those are bigger. Very possibly 7/16. This is type 316 stainless with a standard, with a stainless nut. That's going to be for your sidewall application. Okay, get that threaded together there. Come through the side, obviously. Now, let's take some dimensional properties, and hopefully this will help determine if it is what you need. It's a heavy hinge, weighs about 1.3 pounds, 1.25 pounds. Overall length of the sidewall portion, about 3 7/8. Let's take a look at where those holes are located so that we can better determine if this is what you need. So that first mounting hole is about at a 1/2 inch. Over to about 3.5 inch. The length of the door leaf is 2 inch at about maybe 7/16, over to about 1 inch and 9/16, okay, on those locations. And overall, if we just literally had the door open at 90 degree, that hinge would measure about 2 7/8. Quite thick material. Let's take a gauge of its thickness. Thick and heavy. The sidewall leaf is 0.312, as is the leaf going to the door. 0.315, really, is what they are. So 5/16 thick. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bilco products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. You'll be able to locate through the horizontal structure of navigation above this video other parts for Bilco items. There are, who knows how many different parts are available on Bilco roof hatches. We endeavor to have those available when we encounter them. We'll make them active. This hinge is active in the site because a client needed a hinge, and we were able to get images from the client, identify it, and then come up with a part number. The point is this: if you have need for an individual component from a Bilco roof hatch or floor door or any Bilco item, attempt to get us the serial number from the sidewall. And it was the serial number from the sidewall for this client with this floor door that we were able to absolutely identify this hinge as what was needed, because the manufacturer has the ability to pull up the bill of material and know exactly what was used at the time of manufacture. So forward us that information, photographs if you can, and then we'll go to work on determining what you need, how many the unit would require if it was new, and then go from there, eliminating any guesswork so that you can continue to get useful service out of the significant original investment in a roof hatch or a floor door. Any questions on the Bilco? This is their floor door hinge or hinge assembly, RPSW16AL, or any other Bilco product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.